Hello everyone, how are ya? Travis here, alongside my minions, Jasmine and Sammy. It's time for... Rapunzel, everybody. No, actually that's my wife.
No, that's me. My name is Rapunzel. It's just I dyed my hair black.
If you're wondering why I'm looking off to the side here, I do have a new camera that I'm testing out.
Yeah, so we can look at we can look at this camera, you guys, and look at this camera, you guys.
This is more or less for my testing abilities.
Yeah, he's testing it.
This might be my new vlogging camera right here.
But we still like you guys.
We'll see. But for
really
now,
I like them.
let's see what we got.
TT, laying down.
Very light.
That is light.
That's a no. That's a
No.
put it down.
Put it down. Yeah, look.
No, that's a left. Okay, well.
I guess we're starting.
Cameraman is starting with the Cheetos or the Cheetos.
Small Cheetos. You went away, TT. We're starting with these.
Relax.
She starts these with
You
mom.
don't even know. Oh, it's corn flavor.
No. I think I tried corn.
Okay, so it's a no from everybody else. Let me see if I like it. Oh, it smells good. Where's the straw? Hang on, I'm trying to find this out before I eat it. Corn soup flavor. Interesting. Okay, corn soup. South Korea. It's Cheetos.
No.
It smells good.
It's not Cheetos.
Not bad, actually.
Hell no. Oh my god, how do you like it?
A little dry. The cameraman is out of control.
Disgusting.
Hang on a second now. What do you got?
Penny. Mama, you have to wait.
Yeah, you have to wait. Swedish berries.
What? Okay, Swedish berries.
From Canada. Sweet. I love Canadian snacks, and I'm not just lying about that. For some reason, I don't know why they're so good.
I love it. It doesn't care for
Look at that. It looks like a multivitamin.
I turned my phone too loud. I have it. It looks like a fruit now.
Okay, pretty good too. This is some chocolate. Oreo. I see Oreo. I recognize that label any day, even if it's in a different language. What do we got? Oreo chocolate wafer from South Korea. Back to South Korea.
South Korea has so much food for us. Like there's thousands
Yeah, that's
of
the second thing in a row. Not in a row, but.
A thousand Koreans that we have so far.
Okay, say it. Don't spray it. All right.
Why is your old camera not looking at me that way?
I love the autofocus on this camera.
I like it. I actually like it when I get close.
It's got a little bit.
I can't see my.
Got a little bit of a coffee flavor almost. I know it's an Oreo. You want to try mine? Not bad.
Way too good. Yeah.
Haichu.
I love Haichu. Even I just love Haichu.
Japanese. I'm not even gonna look it
first
up.
because I love Haichu. Because I love Haichu. Can't have a whole thing. Yeah, you can have to share with your husband.
I'm just kidding. I already had some. Say it. Don't spray it. She's spitting on me. Alright, this is awesome. Look at that. It looks like an itchy and scratchy.
No, Daddy, we're starting with this first. I'm trying to open it.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. Well, as long as she's opening that, let me figure out what the heck this is. I'm gonna guess Chinese.
Hey!
No, Japan. Awesome. I'm sorry.
Open it. But I have to pass it to everyone.
Umayabo
I have to pass it. That's my favorite.
katsu
That's my
sauce.
favorite. No, what?
Big in Japan, this crunchy puffed corn stick is packed with a savory and mildly sweet something sauce that has a similar taste to soy sauce. Dude, I love soy sauce. Hang on, I'm gonna try. You guys probably aren't gonna like this, girls.
Let me steal my yummy salad.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, hello. Pretty. Look at that. Soy sauce. It's gonna taste like soy sauce.
It looks like poop.
Jazz.
I didn't even bite it and it tastes disgusting. It's kind of burning. It's burning my lips.
Not bad. It doesn't. It's not. What's going on?
I don't even like it. I don't even like it.
I chew.
Tastes like the lemon. That's it.
Lemon lime.
No, it's lemon.
No, it's a lemon lime.
Lemon is sour, so I
Alright.
still don't want to eat lemon. A real lemon. I love Haichu, just to say, but
Fritos hoops.
I love those.
Barbecue.
Oh, yeah, not barbecue. Dummy, I saw you want to play beatable game of Dale's Ready.
Canada. I'm going to Canada one day, guys. I promise.
I said you didn't want to.
I did. I do. Niagara Falls.
I can't even see my face on the
Look at that. It looks like a Band-Aid. Look. Hang on, let me find a different size.
Uncle, I can't even see my other face on the other corner.
That's okay. Oh, look what I did. It's a Band-Aid.
That is a candy. Not a Band-Aid.
Okay, that's good.
Not that bad. I love it. It just tastes like normal one. Look,
Alright.
look.
Ooh, I'm saving that for last.
Hi, mushroom cruise.
Let's do this one. Gotta balance it out some. Ooh, what is that? Curly Whirly. Curly Whirly. First of all, look at the packaging. That's amazing.
It looks like the look.
It makes me think of Willy Wonka.
It looks like it's. It looks like it says a liquid, whatever you call it.
So this is Canterbury Curly Whirly. I can't talk. From the UK. It's filled with caramel. Love caramel. And Canterbury chocolate. Enough reading. Let's open it. It looks like Laffy Taffy, the packaging. Wow. Oh my goodness. Sorry, can I? No.
Wow, it's stretchy. Wow.
Sounds like it.
It looks like a pretzel.
It looks like a measuring tool.
No, it looks like a pretzel. I love it.
You know, it kind of tastes like a Heath bar. but not as.
Oh. Daddy,
Okay.
Dada.
What?
what are those circle things that Nana like?
Momos?
That are also filled with caramel?
Oh, sour strawberry straws.
Yummy. Let's have that first.
My Munchpak videos are so off the rails. What is that? Zozol, sour strawberry straws.
Oh, it smells
Poland.
good. I can smell it.
Can't even open it. There we go. It smells like strawberry Fanta.
Yes. Wow. Oh, wait. I get the first bite.
I mean, it smells good. It looks good.
Oh! What? Taste it. It's so good.
So many things going on right there. Holy
Get some
cow.
water cake up in my mouth. I just get water.
A little bit sour.
Oh. A little bit sour.
Then you get like a sweet tart rope filling.
Oh. White stuff.
You get just a little bit of sour, and then it goes away with the sweet. Guys, Munchpak, I love you guys. Thank you. Let's see. Got two more things here. Oh, here, Biscream Cocoa. Biscuits with cocoa cream filling. Biscuits. That's the same thing in a different thing.
Where are your cups? Where are your cups?
So this is from Turkey.
Any drink.
Sure, she doesn't want that.
Drink anything.
Are these? Oh, cool! They look like vanilla wafers.
Wait, Dada. I didn't even. Chocolate. My baby is inside there.
Look at the autofocus. Love it. Let's do a test over here.
A little bit hot. Not that good, Will. Not good at all.
Not my favorite. Sit down, Jess. Sit down.
The last and final thing is my cookie.
What is that?
But it's filled with caramel.
Sea salt caramel. Graham cracker.
Hi.
From America. To finish things off.
Burger. I want to try one. I don't have.
Sea salt caramel chocolate rim.
Kitty making.
I promise I don't have COVID. I'm just allergies. Ugh. What is that? Okay. Got a cross section going there.
I'm gonna bring my thing up. Ew, ew, ew.
I normally love sea salt and caramel.
It's horrible. It tastes like.
Sorry. That's a no.
Ew,
Okay.
ew, ew, ew.
That is it for this munch pack.
Give us more Munchpak. So much Munchpak.
Up here. Guys, hope that you enjoyed this munch pack.
I want every Munchpak in the world. Okay? Okay.
Hold on. If you enjoyed this munch pack, if you want to sign up for your own munch pack, I highly recommend it. I will leave a link in the description. Enjoy, treat yourself, and we'll see you guys in the next video.